Hi, welcome back to Felix Our World. Here, Leticia Felix, showing you how I am doing this project using Craft Smart Neon Paint by Craft Smart, blended with Floetrol as my medium. And this is the first time diluting this type of paint, which is highly sensitive to water. Water sort of kills this paint. It takes away brilliance under the black light. This is UV reactive, and my black light it's on right now. So in a minute, I'm gonna turn off the bright light and you will be able to see the UV. Ta-da! Okay, so I'm just mixing the colors using orange, yellow, and green, and of course black as my base. And I think I'll add a little more, just a little more. And keep blending and mixing. I'm using 1-to-1 paint and Floetrol. And lubricant is Liquitex Flow 8. I love it because no cleanup is required after it dries up. With the hair product, you do have to clean it. If you use a sewing machine, lubricant, you have to clean it up. They work, but you need to clean it up before you varnish your work. Okay, now let's start mixing the cup. A little bit of black, a little bit of green. And I want contrast, so I'm gonna layer up accordingly. So some orange. I wouldn't put together green and yellow because there's not much of a contrast between those two colors. So now the black to separate green and yellow. And the orange happens to be heavier than the other colors. It sinks as I pour it. And it's looking really nice in the dirty cup. Really nice. I like it. All right, now time to prep the canvas. It was already pre-painted black. I'm using a black sponge that you can hardly see under the black light. All right, so evenly distributing. Remember, the base color never should have lubricant. No Flow 8, no silicone, no oil of any kind, because you're gonna end up with holes in it. All right, so this is a flip. I'm flipping this cup. Oh, forgot to mix it. Let's mix it a little tiny bit. Okay, let's do a flip. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Oh no, too much black. Looks too dark. I wanted to see more orange. Note to self. If I want to see more of specific color, I gotta use more of that color. Black is really strong, so it kind of dominates. So I should have used less. I'll do that with the next experiment since I have paint left over and I have very little black left over. I'm gonna do that. So I'm just stretching it. I like the cells though. Came out good. Cell wise. Definitely more orange. Alright. Just playing with it. Okie dokie. This is a close-up after I was done stretching it. More cells opened up. And they just keep opening as it rests in peace. All right. Well, let me know if you guys like this painting. If you have questions, give it a like if you like. Subscribe to see more experiments. I love to do this on a 3D object. And here it is dry. Changed a little bit. Dried up. And this is under the natural light. This is what it looks like. Without varnish. It's too soon to put varnish on it, so no varnish yet. I'm sure that's going to make it pop a lot more because it's a little matte. Well, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.